If you want to be a teacher, but you don't want to spend the 4+ years required to earn the bachelor's degree to become a teacher, today's video is just for you. I'm going to walk you through the 5 fastest teaching degrees so you can go get your teaching degree faster and become a teacher faster. Now, all 5 majors that I'm going to discuss in this video can be earned in less than 1 year. Yes, that's right. 1 year or less for a bachelor's degree from zero is totally possible with each and every one of the majors discussed in this video. If you do want to hack college and graduate faster, just subscribe to the channel. Now, what major you choose is going to determine what teaching job you get down the road. So you need to make sure you understand, do I want to teach children? Do I want to teach middle school? Do I want to teach high school? What do I want to do? And that will help you choose the major. As you can see here, elementary school teachers make a little bit less than high school teachers. High school teachers, about $2,000 more per year. That's not super significant, especially if the high school teaching degree takes you significantly longer, but keep these numbers in mind. The first major I want to discuss is elementary education. The reason this is one of the easiest teaching degrees to earn is because you're learning each subject at a lower level and you're learning how to teach these subjects to children. So you don't have to learn advanced math, advanced science, advanced English, advanced history. You're learning everything on a lower level, and most of your learning is about how to teach younger children. That's why this major can be done really, really quickly. Another major where you're working with young children, but in a different way, is special education. You're learning with kids with learning disabilities or handicapped children, which is really, really cool. But when you're doing this for the younger children, it generally doesn't take as long to earn the degree because younger children with disabilities don't take as advanced training methods as maybe junior high or high school students with the same disabilities. So the degree doesn't take quite as long. Now, having said that, I still prefer, if you're going for speed and you're trying to get the degree faster, I like programs that are elementary education and special education combined, because there's a good portion of your learning where you're just learning the traditional elementary education with some specialized special ed training. When you're looking at the major, these majors generally are faster than just special ed training alone. The next major I want to go into is science education, but with the caveat: science education for middle grades. Middle grade education is junior high students. High school education is generally called secondary. So if you get a secondary education teaching degree, you generally have to learn more advanced material for each topic. So those secondary education degrees, it's higher math, higher science, higher English, higher history, and those generally take a little bit longer. So science education for middle grades, it's pretty basic science stuff, and you're learning how to teach junior high children these topics. Math education is exactly the same. Secondary education is more advanced math. Middle grades is for junior high students. Middle grades, those majors, those degrees generally go faster. The last one I want to talk about is educational studies. Now, these educational studies majors, they're pretty unique because most universities allow you to kind of structure those degrees however you'd like. You can go science heavy, you can go math heavy, you can go English heavy. It just depends on where you want your focus of study to be. Now, the thing here, not all of these educational studies degrees come with teaching licensure. So you need to know what the laws are in your state if you're going to get an educational studies degree, because sometimes educational studies get you teaching jobs and sometimes it doesn't, depending on your state requirements for licensure. Having said that, educational studies degrees can generally be earned fairly quickly. Now, when choosing these majors, there's something important. You need to choose schools that will allow you to go at your own pace. Schools that won't cap you at how fast you go or how many credits or classes you complete each semester. You want schools that allow you to self-study so that you're not reading textbooks and doing homework assignments to earn these degrees. When I said earlier in the video, you can earn these majors, each of these majors, in less than 12 months, it is possible, but only at schools that will allow you to move that quickly. I personally prefer what are called competency-based education programs that are 100% self-paced, no caps for how fast you can go. if you find programs like this, you can generally go really quickly. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to hack the degree and actually do this in less than 12 months in another video. I'm going to leave a link to that video down in the description below. I call it my degree hacking tutorial, and I'll walk you through the 3-step process that you'll need to follow to go and get one of these education degrees in less than 12 months. I've seen these degrees earned in as little as 3 months. 6 to 12 months is pretty normal. Let's say it took you 18 months. That's still way faster than the traditional 5 to 6 years to earn a bachelor's degree. So click that link, go watch the degree hacking tutorial. I hope this video has added value to your day. I'll talk to you in the next video.